Hi everyone, Siavash here, high-level certified admin, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can set up your personal profile on your high-level account. Now, before getting started, I have two tabs open. One of them, as you can see, it says logged in as course demo profile with that email address. And then I have another tab that is just the default one. Now, why am I showing you this? The reason is most likely if you are the agency owner of the platform and you just working on your own sub account, when you go to the settings down at the bottom, you see that you don't see any my profile in here. However, if I go back in here in the other one and click on settings, I will see a business profile and also my profile. And why is that? So depending on which one you're seeing, you might want to skip this section or not. If you're seeing this, you're good. Just skip a little bit forward once we come to how you can actually edit your profile. But if you're looking at this and you're not seeing that, is because inside the staff, you don't have any profile. So as you can see, this is the one profile that I have in here, and I am logged in as this person, and that's why it has a profile setting, which is in here. So usually if you don't see my profile, it means that you're not logged in as a user. You're logged in as an agency owner, so you don't need a profile. You can access everyone's, but every account needs to have a user, so account admin at least, or account user, to be able to see that profile section. How you can do this, we're going to talk about it in the next video, how you can add an employee or add any staff. But in any case, if you want to follow with this video, you just click on add an employee, fill up the information and hit on save, and then you switch to contact. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can do that in the next video. But let's say that you have the profile, and when you go to settings, you see the my profile and you click on it. This is basically where you want to set up all of your stuff. Now, the important thing about this is usually the most important thing about this is the calendar stuff. So when someone wants to book an appointment with this specific profile, the time zone being okay, if you're doing Zoom or Google Meet meeting, you want it to be hooked up so it generates proper meeting links and those kind of things. So just come over here. You can add a profile image, you can update your password, you can set up your signature, and this is basically very useful when you're sending an email. You can always add what we call user.signature, and it will get updated based on what you put in here. So you can just have it once and then attach it to all of your emails. You can turn this on and it will attach it to all outgoing messages as well. I'm not going to go into too much detail. Now, the next part that is, they've updated this recently, the user interface, is calendar setting. So we're going to talk about this a little bit more when we get into the calendar section. But what you want to do is you want to add your main calendars, whether Google or Outlook, to here in order for high-level calendar to be able to look for conflicts and also put that event into your calendar as well. For those of you that have multiple calendars, what you want to do, you want to first sync all of those together. So let's say you have calendar 1 and then you have calendar 2 and calendar 3. What I would do, I will sync calendar 2 and calendar 3, both of them into calendar 1. So calendar 1 can see all the events, and then I'll sync calendar 1 to the high-level calendar. So that means high-level calendars can see calendar 1, 2, and 3. And then you tell high-level calendar that, hey, only write or update the events on the calendar 1. Okay. I know it might sound a little bit complicated, but yeah, if you have too many calendars, that's one way of thinking that. Just go ahead and click on add new, and we're going to do that in the calendar video. Same thing with the user availability. So available hours, time zone is extremely important, and this is where you can connect your Zoom. If you click on this, it will actually bring up, hey, you gotta connect the Zoom in your profile. Click on that, it opens up Zoom. I don't have any more Zooms to get connected in here. Let's try, because I have too many test accounts and I've already connected my Zoom. So by the way, if you have already connected your Zoom, you see it's already integrated but by another lead connector, so it's not going to let you connect it. But it's pretty straightforward. Just tick, 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 click, log in, allow, and it will get connected. I'm not just going to go create another Zoom account because I have too many of them just to do this. But it's the same process. If you have any questions, just let me know and I can show you in another account how you can actually do that. Email two-way sync. I don't do this. I don't prefer doing this. This is kind of like make things a little bit messy. It basically replicates your Gmail and Outlook inbox. Understanding and last time that I test, to be honest with you guys, is it only works with the Gmail calendars. Like it needs to be at gmail.com. So it didn't work with the G Suite. I'm not sure if they updated or not. As far as I know, they haven't. So none of my accounts actually have this thing because I did it once and it just messed up everything. So I would not recommend doing this. You can keep everything separated, and I've already told you how you can actually forward your emails from high level to your Google account. So that's pretty much how you can set up your profile. Next video, we're going to talk about how you can add in staff and how you can actually, if you're an agency owner and you own the account, how you can actually log in and switch between the accounts so you can see this. So kind of if this didn't make sense to you, go to the next video. I'm going to show you how you can create a staff and how you can actually switch accounts so you have access. Once again, if you haven't joined our community, that's where you can ask questions and those kind of things. You can scan that QR code there and just join it. Post update there too. And we can have conversation. I'd love to see how you guys are doing with the course and if there's anything that I can help you with. All right, hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.